Welcome to Menagerie Chic. We're going to be planting today.
Woo!
And we're going to be planting 1 tomato.
What are we using today? We're planting 1 tomato. What are we using?
Miracle Grow.
No mixing.
Not mixing because they already did the mixing and all
For
the stuff.
everything for us. So what is this? Raised bed soil, right?
Raised bed soil. That's right.
Okay, so what are we going to be putting in it?
Soil.
Yes, we're going to put the soil in a gardening bag, right? Where did I get this gardening bag from?
From her local store.
Amazon.
Amazon.
It was delivered from our local Amazon.
And so as we're doing this, we're dumping some soil inside there.
So it can get a little messy.
It can get a little messy, but if you're like very good at it, put a napkin down if you're doing it very something that's very easy to like make messy and it can stain.
It's not gonna stain, but just very messy and it can get everywhere. But that's what we have our aprons on, right?
Yeah.
We have our aprons with our tools, so we don't get really messy. And we have our gloves on. This one is you. Okay, you don't. Good job, dude. Okay, come on. Got it?
Can I help?
Let's see how much we have. Let's do a couple more scoops. Okay, let's get some big scoops.
Okay.
Got it? Let me do a couple big scoops so we can get all the big scoops in here.
And also, while you're doing this, tomatoes can go very big, so you don't want tomatoes by sugar because they can make a big thing. If you're doing it on the ground, you can't have them near each other because if you're doing it with a lot of space, like a farm.
Yes, very good. So tomatoes need space from other plants, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what tool are we going to use to do the dirt? Take out your tools.
Take out this tool, a rake. You can see these in most
You can
of
do
the
a
fall.
rake, and what about this tool? Let's
A
try
shovel?
it. Yes, let's do a little shovel. And let's dig a hole. Just dig a little hole.
Like, you make sure you have like 1 inches.
Yes, so 1 to 2 inches.
Because you don't want it to touch the bottom, and then it can sink down there.
Yes, so come on. How are we going to get this out? Let's get the plane out. We got a big hole now.
So we're going to dump it. So make sure you don't have it split in half. We're going to dump it. Okay, sorry.
Got it.
We're going to dump it, put it inside, and use the shovel to plant it inside so no one knows we did it.
So it looks like it grew there all by itself, right?
Yeah. But if you do it with seeds, like this, it will soon go up there, but for a long time.
Yes, it takes a little longer with seeds. So we got the quick method, right? We bought the ones that already started growing, okay?
Yeah. Like a few years ago, I think.
Probably a few weeks. But so we're gonna grow a tomato, and we're gonna water it, and we're gonna watch this grow, and keep everybody up to date on the progress of your tomato.
And we also bought a Venus flashlight. If you want to see that, we're going to post it on the second video on the next video.
Yes, so we're gonna be talking all things how cool and things that we've learned about Venus flytrap. Thanks for joining Menagerie Chic Kids Corner.
And we're going to show you it for the next time.
In the next video, Venus flytrap.
Yes. How it works and how it eats those flies.
Yes.